Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to week 12 of Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. This week is all about the weather, so make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. Our first song, as always, is You'll Sing a Song and I'll Sing a Song. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay. So our first song is called Do You Want to Play? Sometimes when the rain comes down, I get blue. I don't think it'd be as bad with you. Do you want to play inside today? Sometimes when the sun comes out, I get to go out and play in the rays with you. Do you want to play outside today? Sometimes when the rain comes down, I get blue. I don't think it'd be as bad with you. Do you want to play inside today? Sometimes when the sun comes out, I get to go out and play in the rays with you. Do you want to play outside today? So our next book is called Warm Weather, and I really love the illustrations in this book. They're really cute. Drip, drop, skip and hop, splish, splash, sidewalk dash. Warm, worm, wiggle, squirm, warm weather. Coat, hat, rain go splat. Boots jump, old tree stump. Big stomp, puddle swamp. Mud stop, belly flop. Almost. Dark cloud, very loud. Bright flash, thunder crash. Quick race, pizza place. Drip dry, pizza pie. Sun pops, drizzle stops. Birds fly, rainbow sky. Run, sing, playground swing. Warm, worm, wiggle, squirm. It's warm weather. What's the weather right now? Well, where we are, it is actually raining, so that fits perfectly. And it ties in with our craft, which is a weather clock. So depending on the weather, you can turn it. So it's raining, so it's on the umbrella. But if it was sunny, you can put the arrow on the sun, and so forth. And every day you can change it to what today's weather is. Okay, so next we have my favorite rhyme from when I was a little girl. I would love this so much and I would do it all the time. And it's called Itsy Bitsy Spider, which I'm sure you've heard of. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Okay, let's do it again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed out the spout again. So Our last book is called Red Sky at Night. And this book's really cool because it's like a bunch of different sayings about the weather. Weather folklore. Long ago, here and far away, people looked for clues in nature to predict the weather. They learned from experience by watching the shapes of clouds or noticing the behavior of animals. This wisdom was passed down through sayings, like the ones in this book. How weather-wise are you? Might you know a saying or two? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. When the dew is on the grass, no rain will come to pass. Evening red and morning gray, two sure signs of one fine day. When the mist creeps up the hill, fishers, it's time to try your skill. No weather is ill if the wind be still. If woolly fleeces are in the sky, be sure the day is fine and dry. When ladybugs swarm, expect a day that's warm. When the wind is from the west, then the fishes bite the best. Yellow streaks in a sunset sky, wind and day long, rain are nigh. Frogs will call before the rain, but in the sun are quiet again. Whether it's cold or whether it's hot, we shall have weather, whether or not. That one's really cute. I think that's true. Whether it's cold or whether it's hot, we shall have weather, whether or not. Ring around the moon, rain will come soon. Red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. Trout jump high when rain is nigh. Hear the whistle of the train, 'tis a sign it's going to rain. Winds of the daytime wrestle and fight, longer and stronger than those of the night. Wind from the east is neither good for man nor beast. Little ships must keep to shore, larger ships may venture more. If seabirds fly to land, there truly is a storm at hand. When clouds appear like rocks and towers, the earth is refreshed with frequent showers. Cats leap about and chase their tails to warn of thunderstorms and gales. When the forest murmurs and the mountain roars, close the windows and shut the doors. The more rain, the more rest. Fair weather's not always best. Now that you know a saying or two, can you predict what the weather will do? I don't know if I can. Right now it's raining, so I only really know the weather when it is the weather. Okay, so our last song is called Rain, Rain, Falling, Falling. And this is a translation of the popular Japanese song Ame, Ame, Fure, Fure. Here we go. Rain, rain, falling, falling, mother picks me up. With the rain splattered umbrella, walking home is fun. Pitter, pitter, patter, patter, drip, drip, drop. Rain, rain, falling, falling, mother picks me up. With the rain splattered umbrella, walking home is fun. Pitter, pitter, patter, patter, drip, drip, drop. Okay, thank you guys for joining me for this week of Mini Melodies. Our next week and the last week of our autumn session before we start our next story times for the winter in December is going to be all about bears, which is fitting because bears are going into hibernation very soon. So I hope to see you there. Bye now.